Hello gamers, we have an incredible PC case for you. It's the Segotep Halo 7 Plus. So this is a medium PC case of 410mm by 192mm with 460mm. It's a ATX, M-ATX and E-ATX. So what is nice on this PC case, guys, it has acrylic plastic for your fans. So if you can put 3 fans like in the picture in the front side and it will look awesome, the RGB fans. Or if you want to make a work of art, you can view it on this acrylic panel on the sides and you can view all the components or RGB LEDs like they are in our days. So let's see the top side. This is a nice filter, magnetic filter for your case, for your fans. You can insert 2 fans or of 120mm, and in the front side you have only one USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0. The LED, the reset button and power button associated with the jack and mic input. So in the back side you have a place for another fan, and here is the power source. On the bottom side we can find also a dust filter. As we removed the glass panel or the plexiglass side panel, we can see the USB 3.0, a lot of and the other USBs, and these are for connecting to your motherboard. The other USB, the HD audio, and the LEDs with the power LED, the hard disk boot LED, the reset button, and the other buttons on the top side of this PC case. So I like that this PC case is well ventilated. The power source has its own compartment here, and in this side you can insert the hard drives right on this compartment, with of course taking out this back panel. Inside we have the screws. We have screws for everything, for the motherboard, we have some clips, plastic clips that you can use them for wiring. Make yourself the hardness like you need. So you can install on this PC case 2 hard drives of 3.5 inch and 3 SSDs 2.5 inch. We have a SSD here and a SSD here which has the brackets, which you can put it on this side if you want directly here. I don't know, for better cooling. If you want more efficient cooling, you got to insert them in the special compartment here, and you can insert a fan on the top side and we will have a well ventilated hard drive or SSDs. If you want to insert a big video card, be careful that it supports maximum length of 330mm, and the power supply supports a maximum of 210mm, and the cooler maximum height is 155mm. You can use also water cooling with the fans. You can put the main cooling unit here and CPU cooling right on the CPU on the side. For $70, it's a good price for this PC case. You will do your job just fine with this budget. Also guys, Banggood sent us these 3 fans. They are RGB. You can switch them with the remote control for this unit and you can insert them wherever you want. And inside we have the 3 fans with wiring, the central control unit inside the case, and the remote control, changing the color as you like, and of course screws for the fans. So you can easily mount these 3 fans on this top side and it will look awesome for the design and for ventilation, because this is the main purpose of these fans. Not only for good looking, the first purpose of these fans are for cooling down your unit. The air coming through this front side and giving it out on the back side of this case. You can insert 2 fans here and 1 fan, I don't know, on the top side, but it's best for this acrylic glass to look. Put yourself 3 fans right in the front of this PC case. For taking out this panel, just with brute force pull from the sides and you will remove it. And now you can adjust your fans. You can feed up with power with these connectors right on your motherboard. So look, on your motherboard you can insert these new motherboards now support 8, 9, 10 fans, and you got to insert them directly on those connectors on the motherboard. You will have this nice effect spinning round and round with powerful LEDs, colorful LEDs, rainbow effect on your front side. The fans are 120 millimeters. They work at 1300 rotations per minute. Their interface is with 4 pins. The sound level is very good. It only has 20 decibels, and the lifetime hours, functional lifetime, it's 25,000 hours. So guys, I hope you like this Segotep case. I hope it will fit your work. You can do your harness because it's a good looking PC case. It will attract your attention or your friends if you are a gamer especially. It's a medium case, like I said. It's not a small case, it's not a large PC case, and you can use the manufacturer think of everything you can fit or relatively big cards, big video cards for this PC case. It's well designed, and you can insert a lot of fans for cooling down your internal hardware parts. Not only it's looking good, it's well designed, it's engineered correctly, and you can find it on our partners on Banggood website. We have the links into the description, guys, with the RGB fans and the PC case. So gamers, thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you. Bye.